Hi, in this video, we will learn how to change text case in Excel by using different methods. So first we will use built-in functions. As you can see, I have data in column A and I want to change it in the uppercase form. So for this, I will select the cell C2 and type the formula equals to upper and select the first cell and press enter. Now you can see the text is converted into uppercase. Drag the fill handle down to autofill all the other text. If you want to change the case of text to lowercase, we will use